Yeah, guys, the wind is getting crazy. I just looked at the phone and it's a severe red alert right now. So yeah, we gotta head out. Ice is cracking everywhere.
Woo! Woo! All right, we'll get the jaw jacker now. Oh, this is a blizzard right now. I'm gonna get this thing undone and oh shit! Oh no! Gonna push her down, then take the anchors off, then try to head out here, alright? Right where my two holes are lined up here, my truck is that way, so we're just gonna start walking that way and we'll see. We'll make it to the truck, so we'll head that way right now.